In this series of short films, we follow the Köhl Harvest team throughout the season. The grand finale is the maize harvest. We captured one of the agricultural contractor's biggest forage harvesting operations on camera for you, starting the day's filming early in the morning with impressive footage of the fleet. At the beginning of October, we returned to Unsleben in northern Bavaria. Köhl Harvest has deployed 3 forage harvesting chains. It is rare for the harvesting teams to work together in the same field, but because the fields are so close, Köhl Harvest was able to run the 3 forage harvesters in parallel for a few tracks. A combined power of 2,700 horsepower at work. Even the dense fog does not detract from the spectacular views. Foreman Denny is impressed by this scenery at the end of a long harvest year, which was marked by heavy rainfall, especially in the summer. This job requires a considerable amount of resources from Köhl Harvest. Agrokraft Streutal wants 1,200 hectares of maize to be harvested for the 2 biogas plants it operates. This project is particularly challenging because the cultivation area is spread over more than 600 individual fields, belonging to more than 60 farmers. The logistics of which field is to be harvested by which machine has largely been worked out by the biogas plant team. On this job, the 3 powerful forage harvesters, including the 2 top-of-the-range 9900 models, harvest an average of 100 hectares per day. The Köhl Harvest team is therefore doing very well, as the plant operator had only calculated a daily output of 75 to 80 hectares. Once a field has been harvested, as in this case, forage harvester operator Christoph records this on a tablet and also documents the dry matter content, which the harvester has determined in real time using the John Deere Harvest Lab NIR sensor. The dry matter content is important for invoicing the harvesting job, but it is also recorded again at the biogas plant. Köhl Harvest operates as a contracting company throughout Germany. Its head office is located near Neumarkt in the Upper Palatinate in Bavaria. Nick Köhl manages the company, which has grown considerably in recent years. In addition to agricultural services and winter maintenance, the company also works in landscape maintenance. Sheep are used to keep green spaces and meadows short, for example in nature reserves or under photovoltaic systems. As part of the company's expansion, and in view of the large number of jobs it now carries out in Saxony, Saxony-Anhalt and Thuringia, Köhl Harvest opened a second location in Zerbst in August 2023. It took over an existing contracting company there. All of the former employees have been taken on, and the fleet is being gradually modernised. An initial investment package included 4 new John Deere 6R tractors and this 8R 370, which went into service in late summer 2023. Slurry spreading is an important part of Köhl's work in the Zerbst region. In addition to this Tridem tanker from the Danish manufacturer Samson, they also work with an agrometer slurry hose system. There are 11 permanent employees at the Zerbst site, including the operations manager. The planning is shared by several colleagues, including Managing Director Nick Köhl. But let's get back to the maize harvest in Lower Franconia. The harvest is transported to the biogas plant in Unsleben. The plant is run by a cooperative, so some of the farmers in the cooperative help to transport the crop or work on the silage clamp. up to 25 tractors are involved in the logistics, and Köhl Harvest has 7 transport teams on site. One of them works with the JCB Fast Track, which the contractor bought primarily for winter maintenance. The manager's main concern is that the forage harvester always works seamlessly with enough transport trailers on hand at any time. A tractor arrives at the plant every 3 to 4 minutes. This equates to around 250 to 300 tons of substrate. But the 2 tractors with levelling blades and the roller tractor can easily handle this volume. The average yield per hectare is around 33 tons of fresh matter. The plant operators had calculated for a slightly higher yield. However, the large cob size, which contributes significantly to the energy yield, can probably compensate for the lack of mass. Next, we follow forage harvester driver Tilman, who drives a John Deere 9600. This is a machine which the contractor has leased in response to strong demand during the 2023 maize harvest. This forage harvester has 787 horsepower and is powered by a John Deere 18X engine. We showed you this 18-litre engine on the assembly line during our visit to the Zweibrücken factory in part 2 of this series. For the contractor, harvest time is always an organisational balancing act between customers. Jobs like this one in Unsleben are usually requested 1 to 2 weeks before the actual start of the harvest, and then the weather has to be taken into account. This requires not only powerful agricultural machinery, but also a good deal of flexibility. The aim is to achieve a dry matter content of 35% at harvest, but it is simply impossible to achieve this in all fields. There were already up to 4 weeks time difference when the crops were sowed, and there are also differences between maize varieties and field locations. For the 2023 maize harvest, Köhl Harvest used 11 of its own forage harvesters and 2 additional leased machines. As Köhl Harvest also works with subcontractors, some of whom have partnered with the company for a long time, there were ultimately 18 forage harvesters in use during the peak season. Nick Köhl will be replacing almost his entire fleet of forage harvesters in the coming year. 10 new John Deere 9500s with 12-row headers will be delivered in the spring of 2024. Arguments in favour of the 9500s include the fact that they do not require AdBlue exhaust gas purification, and that they are equipped with the 6-cylinder John Deere 18X engine that we have already shown. Agricultural machinery dealer DOB Landtechnik, which we profiled in part 1, arranged the deal and will also provide after-sales service for the harvesters. On the day of filming, the fog lingered until midday, but the evening was just glorious. This is one of the last harvest days of the 2023 maize campaign for Köhl Harvest. Between the end of August and mid-October, the team harvested around 15,000 hectares for customers in 9 German states and Poland. This is a mammoth task, which at its peak involved more than 70 employees and casual workers. We really enjoyed producing this series of short films. Thanks to our project partners John Deere and DOB Landtechnik, we have not only gained insights into a very modern and dynamic contracting company throughout the year, but we have also been able to take you back a step in this story. We showed you how modern forage harvesters and combine harvesters are built at the Zweibrücken factory, and how these machines are then prepared for use and serviced by an agricultural machinery dealer. If you would like to find out more about the companies involved, we have linked their contact details in the video description. Finally, we at farmworld.tv would like to thank you for your great interest in the video series. We hope you continue to enjoy our channel.